Day 2 of the Dennis Olin appeal. And look, looks like there's nothing going on here. No media. Nobody. Yesterday was a little bit of a media frenzy. Let me try to do a rant here if I can. I gotta go to Ormato Flats. My God, the leaves are getting lower and lower. Let's see if I can arrange it here. Okay, Charles Leblanc here. We're at the Dennis Olin, day 2 of his appeal, to appeal his conviction, and if it could be set free or have a retrial. Now, I was surprised it's televised. Ernest Drapeau, they call him, people that knows him, Ernie Drapeau, Chief Justice. I guess he's the highest at the command for justice here in New Brunswick. Allowed cameras to be in there. So, cameras inside an appeal court, Queen's Bench, I don't know what the hell. I'm not educated in the justice system like 99% of New Brunswickers. But I didn't listen to it because I can't listen to that BS. My ADHD will not allow me. I happened to be in court yesterday. I was in the same floor level as the Dennis Olin appeal, and I just happened, nobody was allowed on the second floor when I was done. I went to have a look. The media was going in, and there's only about 40 people that could attend this hearing. And I looked through the door. I've been there before. It's all tight. And I mean, the snobs look at me. The sheriff, you know, there were sheriff that I never seen in my life. They had the super people there. I wonder if they could pass the steroid test. But anyway, I just looked, they shut the door at me, and then I went downstairs. Now, Ernest Drapeau, the first thing he said, because he has the media, the people, he's on the pedestal, and the first thing he said, well, as you can see, we need a new courthouse in this city. And he also wants a new courthouse, I guess, in other cities. Now, I don't know who this Ernest Drapeau is. I don't know. I saw him hear the appeal of the school bus driver, and then I turn around and hear that he was over another case. But he's on the front page of the Irving media stating, we need a new courthouse. So this man is going out of his way to promote the need of a new courthouse. And I approached this man last week. Go to Google, write my name, Charles Leblanc, or go to YouTube, write Chief Judge Ernest Drapeau, and it should be there. I tackled him on the street. He was talking to somebody. I said, bonjour. I recognize him. I said, can I have, excuse me, sir, my name is Charles Leblanc. He goes, oh, Charles Leblanc. This was all in French. And I said, would you mind, can I have an interview with you? Right off the bat, the stone face, no. So, I saw him walking toward me. Afterward, I said, the party is over. Put my camera in his face and asked him a question. Shouldn't he be concerned about a provincial jail first in Fredericton, than the need of a new courthouse for the elitists? You know what? He never talked. He just kept on. I never knew a judge could walk that fast. He just kept on going, until I said, en français, and then he says, pas de commentaire. Then I told him, I said French, I said, I better stop, because forcing a judge for ask question to a judge, you can look at 50 years in jail. But anyway, people said, well, a judge is a different era, a judge is independent. But if a judge goes, his picture's on the front page of the Irving media, the need of a courthouse. Then he goes in here. Did he do that on purpose? To have it here, all the media, and say, well, if we had a new courthouse, it wouldn't be so crowded. So the next time I see Monsieur Ernest Drapeau, I will take my camera out. I will ask questions. I don't think the elitists should be go publicly on their opinion, the need of a new courthouse. Excuse my language, it's a blog, I'm gonna say it, and say, fuck the poor, fuck the welfare bomb, fuck the natives. If we falsely accuse you of stuff and then you gotta go to jail, you will go travel to St. John or Miramichi. But, you know, never mind to treat the poor with decency or with respect. Nah, that's not right. That's not right. First, built a provincial jail in Fredericton. Then worry about the elites like Ernest Drapeau to have a courthouse. Is it going to happen? Stay tuned.